Yo, what's up, guys? Good morning. Hope y'all had a well rest. But I took a trade today, and I'm gonna go and explain my thought process throughout the trade and how I did it and why I did it. So let's get straight into it. So, market opens, and we have to know, are we imbalanced or balanced? If we look at NQ in a higher time frame, we know that NQ is balanced. So I'm not really looking to trade at all, unless we're at the edges of these valve areas. And as you can see, we don't really see, we're nowhere near it. So today I didn't even look at NQ at all. So I was only looking at ES. Now ES, I was looking to take a trade. Market opens, but we have to realize, are we balanced or imbalanced on ES? In the S&P 500, we see that we are not. I I wouldn't say we're balanced. Yeah, we're balanced up here, but then we're retesting these zones. So I would say we are imbalanced, and then till here, right now we are balanced. But at this very moment, we retest, another retest, or this is a fake out, another retest, then a retest. So I would say we are imbalanced at this very moment, because this candle was when market opened. So as you can see, market opens, market opens 9:30. Here's the retest. Market goes straight up. Sure, that's not the retest, but this is the retest. You can see the fake out in the higher time frame. Market goes straight up to the next valve. Bam, point of control. Reacts off of that, and then retest the valve and then explodes after that. I didn't trade any of that. What I traded was started at 1040. This is my trade. So we're at the edge of the valve. I didn't feel like trading here down here, guys, because yeah, we were retesting, but this is a small scalp area to like get any profit. Also, I'm not really like comfortable like trading in small like tight areas like these. It's more I'm not comfortable doing this yet, you know? What I'm comfortable is trading in these edges. So the market didn't imbalance or go into the next value area, or it didn't retest either. It go down then up. But what it did do, it was a fake out. If it would let me replay it, I would like that. Okay, it's not gonna do that, but that's fine. Um, that's fine. I'll just explain it. So we have a strong amount of buyers coming in at this very moment. As you can see, all the volumes up here, the bulk of volume. The bulk of volume was all the way down here until I made a new one. Now, if we go into the smaller time frame, we realize we have about 3.3 thousand buyers coming in. We had about 5.3K coming in lifetime. Yep. Then we had about 3.3 thousand buyers coming in to this level, but price did not want to push up. I was waiting on this because I was like, this is a very bullish day, but usually when we reach these edges of the valve area, that's when volume tends to die down. So this is when we can like see if we are actually going to go out of the valve area or fake out. And I anticipated the fake out. So as we can see at this very moment, we had a bunch of buyers coming in, aggressive buyers coming in. But what happens? As you can see, price does not want to push out, even though we have a ton of buyers. So we get true rejection off of this top. We get a fake out. And even in the bulk of the volume, yeah, I would like to see this bulk of the volume all the way up here. But it doesn't necessarily mean that this isn't true rejection. Yes, it is true rejection. Even to make it easier for you guys, you can even see it right here. This is even true rejection at this very moment as well. That is true rejection. You can even see on the candles. But as you can see here, like I said, we have rejection and the bulk of the volume is all the way up there as well. We get rejected, come straight back down, and This is where I would like to have entered the trade, the second candle, but I was patient and I waited because I'll be honest, this bulk of the volume wasn't really what I necessarily liked. So I waited until the next candle when I was patient and waited to see like what exactly the market would do. Then this is where I caught my trade. On the third candle right here, I put my stop loss right above the wick. Then I forgot where I entered. Then I entered somewhere down here because these imbalances gave me even stronger conviction to go ahead with the trade. Then after that, I targeted the point of control. Now you may be asking, what point of control? Well, as you can see here, this red line. Most of you are like, what is that red line? That's the weekly point of control for my valve areas. That's what I use. This is where 70% of the market tends to go to and trades around. So, or 6 to 8%. But this is where I like to target because the market, this is like a magnet for the market. You know, it reacts off of those key levels, reacts off of that key level. As you can see, market went down, reacts off of that key level, goes straight down, and then it goes above. And it's, as you can see, these two valve areas are like really high valve areas. There's the market is trading around. As you can see, the market is trading around that. So I'm expecting, yeah, this is gonna hit the actual main weak point of control. So previous week of point of control. So this is what I target. Obviously, I could target the daily point of control. The daily valve area might go down there, or the daily low. But I'm not gonna target all of those guys, you know. I'm gonna give what the market gives me, and I'm more confident, more conviction that it's gonna touch that point of control. I don't know if it's gonna touch the daily point of control in reverse. I don't know if it's gonna touch the daily wall in reverse. So I feel more confident sticking to the point of control of the weekly because I know market is gonna tend to go down here and react, and bam, you see, retest it off of that, and keeps going down. I'm more comfortable trading off of this, guys, off the weekly. So this was my take profit. And if we even, now what gave me even more stronger conviction, as soon as we went to the next candle, we can see we had a bunch of imbalances and sellers coming in. So this gave me stronger conviction. Obviously, yeah, the bulk of the volume hasn't been formed yet until just now, but we were starting to go down, down, down. There was no bullish momentum at all. It was all bearish. Obviously, this isn't the best bearish momentum we'd like to see, but it still is bearish. The market is still going bearish, and that's how it's going to be. So we're going to go here. Now, if we go to the S&P 500, we can see that I did trade off of it. Limit order is here. Stop loss was above that candle that I told you guys, and take profit was all the way down here where the point of control was, that red line. If we go to a smaller time frame, you can see it clearly. As you can see, that was a 3.13 hour trade. We had a trade was at 10:48 and ended at 11:12, which was a 30-minute trade. Now, was I worried at all when it was like really close at this? I guess like a bit worried, but honestly, I accepted the fact that I was gonna lose, and if I lost, I lost, you know, and I wouldn't have traded the whole day. But that's how the market is, guys. You know, you can't always be right. Obviously, I was right again today, but that's how it works. It is what it is. Consistency is always the key. So I had a 30-minute trade. I got a 3.13 hour trade off of that, and I'm gonna show you my P&L because I forget to do this, but as we can see here, we made a profit of 587. Guys, I don't care about profit. I don't care about money. If you could do this in a small like margin account, you can do it on a bigger margin account. It's just more about if you are consistent. So all I care about is the RR, if I consistent or not, and if I can reproduce the consistency over and over and over and over again, you know? And so I put about, I think it was 187 or 120. I don't remember how much I put in, but it was a 3.3 RR, and this is how much profit we made for the day. Um, yeah, and that's basically all, guys. Yeah, that's all I had for today. Um, bit of a long, but not that, yeah, bit of a long video, but I appreciate you guys sticking by and listening. Y'all take it easy and may God bless you, alright?